everyone, welcome to the Cosmic Kids Yoga Disco. I'm Jamie and this is your place for yoga, dancing and lots of fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the disco. This one's called Washing Machine Asanga, where we do our washing machine move and our tumble dryer move.
First you get into the groove with the washing machine a move. Then you build up the fire as you blow your tumble dryer. Sit down and cross your legs and put your hands behind your head. Then twist from side to side, let the rhythm be your guide. Wisha washa, wisha washa, wisha washa woo. Wisha washa, wisha washa, wisha washa woo. Let's take it to our fingers, make like a tumble dryer. Then you blow and blow and blow, and see your fingers start to roll. Blow-a-rolla, 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 blow. Blow-a-rolla, 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 blow. Wisha washa, wisha washa, wisha washa woo. Wisha washa, wisha washa, wisha washa woo. Wisha washa mamba, wisha washa samba, wisha washa rumba. Washing machine a song, rolling with the limbo, rolling to the beat of the bongo, rolling with the mambo. Washing machine a song, making my tummy stronger. Washing machine a song, rumbly tumble dryer. Let's take the music higher. Wisha washa, wisha washa, wisha washa woo. Blow-a-rolla, 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 blow. Everybody loves to dance and spin themselves around, twisting side to side. We love the salsa sound. Washing machine a sanga, washing machine a sanga, rumbly tumble dryer. Now we all fall over.
Super Yoga!
Hello, sun pose. Rain pose. Rainbow pose. Bridge pose. Mountain pose. Cosmic egg. Look out! It's a dinosaur stampede! Cave pose. Crooked branch pose. Crocodile pose. Tweety bird pose. Tree pose. Crab pose. treasure chest. Dancer pose. Digging pose.
Hello everyone! Today we get warm and ready for anything with a hello to the sun. Come to stand with your feet hip distance apart, then reach up to the sun, wave at the sky and say, hello sun, hello sun. Then we turn to the side and we fold all the way forwards, bending our knees a little bit as we go so that we can touch the floor and say hello to the earth. Hello, Earth. Then we step one foot all the way back behind us, coming up high on our fingertips like tents. And we start our engines with a beep, beep. Yes. We flatten our hands down and step our other foot back, coming into our plank pose with a nice strong tummy. Then we lower all the way down to our knees and all the way down onto our chest, untucking our toes. We curl our shoulders round, peel our chest off the ground, and we hiss like hissy snakes. Then we tuck our toes, come up onto our knees, and press our hips up to the sky, coming down onto our heels, pressing into our hands to woof like happy little dogs. Woof, 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 woof. We lift up one of our legs behind us and we wag it like a happy tail. Then we put it between our hands again, coming up high onto our tippy tippy tip fingers. Then we say beep, beep, yay! We step our other foot forwards, bringing our feet together, and we wave at the earth, saying, hello, earth. We stretch on up to the sky to say hello to the sun. Hello, sun, lowering our arms back to the side. Now, let's do that on the other side. Reach on up to the sun and say hello to the sun. Hello, sun. Turn to the side, fold all the way forwards, bending our knees to say hello to the earth. Hello, earth. This time we step back with the other leg, staying high up on our fingers, and we say beep, beep, yay! We flatten our hands down, step our other leg back, and come high into our plank pose, nice and strong, like the top of a push-up. Lowering down onto your knees, lower your chest all the way down to the ground, untuck your toes, curl your shoulders back, and lift your chest. And we hiss like a snake. We curl our toes under again, press up onto our knees, and then press our hips up into the sky, lowering our heels down if we can as well, to woof like a happy dog. Woof, 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 woof. We lift our other leg up to the sky and wag it like a tail. Then we put it between our hands, coming high up onto our fingertips again, and we start our engines with a beep, beep. Well done. We step our other foot forward, bring our feet together, and we wave to the earth. Hello, earth. Then we stretch on up to the sky, turning to the front to wave at the sun and say, hello, sun. We lower our arms back to our sides and we stand, feeling warm and ready for anything. Have a great day. The Cosmic Kids Yoga Pose Universe. Crab pose. Coming down to sit on our bottoms, feet flat, knees bent, and hands behind our bottoms with our fingers pointing towards our bottoms. Now we lift up our hips and we move sideways because that's what crabs do. They move sideways and we're going to do it with a digger digger. Ready? Let's go that way first. Here we go. Digger, 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 digger. And the other way. Digger, 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 digger. And lowering our hips. Ooh. Well done, everyone. Now, crab pose is brilliant for building strength in the wrists and arms, as well as the core and the legs. Now we're going to do it again, and this time we're going to add a kick at the end of our diggers because crabs love playing football. Oh, hello. Look who's here. It's our football fan. We'll do it with him too. Ready? Lifting up your hips. Let's digger, digger, digger with a kick and an ooh. Here we go. Digger, 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 digger. Ooh! And the other way. Digger, 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 digger. Ooh! Yay! Sitting all the way down. Oh. Crab pose. Cosmic Kids Yoga Pose Universe. Dragonfly pose. Coming down to lie on our tummies. We bring our hands underneath our shoulders and we lift up one of our feet. We point our toe to the sky and we use our other foot to scooch underneath our thigh, just above our knee to lift it even higher. Wow! Look, there's a dragonfly whizzing around. Oh, there she goes. Now, dragonfly pose is very good for stretching our thighs and our hips and strengthening our back, and it's also very good for a tummy ache. Let's see if we can do it on the other side. Lowering our legs all the way down, we lift up our other leg now, stretch it to the sky, and using our foot to support it, lifting it up. Oh, here she comes again. Wow. Oh, careful. Dragonfly pose. Don't forget to join me on Saturday morning for Saturday morning yoga. Get everyone at home together and enjoy some family time. Remember, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. I'll see you Saturday.